Hello everyone, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to flip an image in Photoshop. Let's begin the video. At first, open your image in Photoshop and select the layer you want to flip. Now press Ctrl plus T on Windows or Command plus T on Mac to activate pre-transform. Then right-click anywhere on the image and you will see options like Flip Horizontal or Flip Vertical. Flip Horizontal mirrors the image left to right and Flip Vertical flips it top to bottom. Now click the option you need and your image will flip instantly. Then press enter to apply the transformation. So there you have it. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Photoshop tips.
This video is sponsored by Girosoft. Girosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Girosoft today. For more details, check the description box.